world where everyone else is selling what you're selling or what you intend to sell, it means you've got competition. And right here, you will discover an entrepreneurially proven strategy to outsmart your competition effortlessly. You see, I understand that starting and running a business is a whole lot of headache. You don't know where and how to begin. You don't know the right things to do. You don't know the right resources to use. And the list of what you don't just know how to do is endless. Therefore, you give up before you begin. And keep telling yourself lies like, I'm an introvert, I don't know how to sell, I'm dumb. Selling is not just for me. You see, you tell yourself all those lies to make you feel comfortable. And I understand your pain because I have been there. So I'm inclined to help you get results faster, shorten your trial and error rate. And that's bits Ask Honeywealth, where you get to ask me questions troubling you and hindering you from starting, and you get to begin that moment. Ask Honeywealth exists to help troubled startup entrepreneurs attract paying customers and clients, thereby increasing their ROI. And here on this channel, you'll be learning about startup entrepreneurship, business idea, copywriting, marketing, business and personal development, how to optimize your business for better conversion. And who am I to help you at all with this? Hi, I'm Oyinda Mola Alao. I'm a direct response copywriter and marketer, interested in helping troubled startup entrepreneurs facelift their business and scale to 6 figures in 90 days. Remember to hit the subscribe button and turn on your notifications so you get updates whenever new videos are uploaded every Tuesday and Fridays by 10 a.m. Oh, wait a second. I reviewed top classified information on how to outsmart your competition effortlessly. Click the link in the description section below